Alright, so I found this really great app, and it's basically, you might have heard of Tor. Now, Tor is something that people generally tend to use on the computer to encrypt their connection and make sure that they're untraceable and anonymous. There's various different uses of this, but it's mainly to protect someone's privacy, and it can be a really useful thing. Um, yeah, so this seems, there's many, like if you scroll down here, you'll see there's like many VPN apps, but nothing compares to Tor. All of this kind of stuff is really useful, but I don't think it's as good as Tor in terms of anonymity and things like that. So let's open this up. There's also a VPN in this, so yeah. Now let me press the use bridges option. Oh, I think I have to go here. Let's go to settings. I don't want to start it automatically. Yeah. Oh, look at this. All of this is so confusing. I don't even understand any of this, you guys. Unless you're an expert, you won't understand all of this crap, but luckily we don't need to understand it. I'm going to take the use bridges option. Yeah, that's it. Now let's press start. It's taking ages, isn't it? Come on. Honestly, the best thing about this app is that even if you're not a really clever expert type of person, you can use it. It's like anyone can use it, even someone like me who doesn't know anything about this stuff. Even I can use it. So it's so simple. They've made it really simple. It's taking ages. Okay, so you can see here that the VPN has been activated, but this one has not. It hasn't been activated yet, you guys. It's that's just weird. I don't think it's connected. I don't know. Finishing handshake. Yeah, it still hasn't finished. For some reason, it's taking ages. Maybe try switching location. Oh. Yeah, I don't know what's going on. But anyway, this is still a really useful app. And I know that many of you guys might find this useful for various things. I mean, legal things, of course. So, yeah, I just wanted to share this. It's a really good app. One of the best on the market for this type of thing.